Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got a Sterling watch. I've done a couple of these watches on my channel and some were good and some were not so good. So we're going to see what we've got in the box today, if it's a go or a no-go. But before I get started, as always, I just wanted to shout out to all of my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for hitting that subscribe button. You guys really do make this world go around for me, and I could not appreciate you guys more. I love all of the interaction with the channel, the comments, the likes, the thumbs up, and even sometimes the thumbs down. If you don't like it, hey, let me know. Like I always say, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy who likes to buy his watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. So, once again, if you're new to this channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, definitely hit that subscribe button for me, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to check out my website, that's at davethewatchman.com. I post affiliate links to all the watches that I do review here, so you can head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself. Those are affiliate links, so they do not cost you anything more to use them, but they do send a couple of dollars over to me if you decide to make that purchase using one, and I really, really do appreciate that very much. So thank you guys all so much, and now let's get into this Stührling watch that I have on the table today and check it out, see if it's any good. So, Stührling is a company. I started doing some of these watches a while back, and like I said, got some that were halfway decent, and then I got some that I didn't really care for. So, this is kind of like, I don't know. If it doesn't work out this time, I think I might go one way or the other with these guys. So, if it's good, I'll keep these watches coming, and if it's not so good, then I think I'll have to revisit. So, right off the bat, I'm liking the fact that it's a full skeleton. Let's get this plastic off. Looks like it's giving me a little bit of a hard time, but there we go. Okay, so I like the fact that it's a full skeleton, guys. It's pretty nice, nice looking watch. The whole back is wide open. You can see the movement in there. It's obviously an automatic and not a quartz. Very nice looking watch all around. I'm gonna have to say they really went into it with the skeleton look on this thing. Really nice. This thing's a mineral crystal, but like I said, Japanese automatic movement. The only thing I'm not caring for much about this watch is this genuine leather strap. I really don't care for it. I think it feels kind of cheap and flimsy. It's actually too stiff to seem like it'll be comfortable. Let me try it on and see what we've got here. But see how this one that I'm wearing right now has got a very pliable leather, supple leather band. And then this one right here is kind of like this stitched kind of cardboard type of a leather. Not really a big fan of that, but let's throw it on and see what it feels like. And as you would expect, it doesn't really ergonomically mold yet. But let's check it out and see what we got here. Very difficult to put on when the strap's that tight. And see, it's kind of squeezing the wrist because it's so tight. So it looks like you need to kind of wrap this thing up in a coil for a couple of days to get it to round out. But I don't know. It doesn't feel too comfortable right now, but it does have a kind of a unique case. It's got that knurled texture on the side of the case, which is kind of different. Like I said, it is an automatic, but it does have the it's pretty smooth movement. I mean, it adjusts pretty smoothly. There is no date format on it, no day format, but you can see the open heart aperture there ticking away, and when you flip it over, you can get a really good look at the inside with the counterweight. It's a pretty nice looking watch all around. I would have to say maybe 7 out of 10, but I would definitely change the band on this thing. That would be the very first thing I would do if I decide to keep this thing. But guys, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna want this watch. I think all in all, the band kills it for me, and the price range is a little bit high for what you get. I would say this thing right now on Amazon is being sold at about 90 bucks, and I think that's just a little bit too expensive for what you get here. I think for that price, I would definitely want a sapphire crystal, and a definitely a better watch band on this thing, or a bracelet. But it is the Stührling Legacy 3933. We all like different things, so if you do like this, I will post a link to it in the description below so you can head on over and check it out for yourself, and maybe even pick one up if you like it. And like I always say, you know, I post these links to these Amazon listings, and we all know that Amazon has the best return policy in the business, so there's really not too much risk in picking up one of these guys on Amazon. If you decide you don't like it, you can always send it back. 90% of the time, 99% of the time, there's no hassles in returns. So I really am a big fan of Prime, and if you do want to order one of these things, like I said, pretty much risk-free. But anyhow, 42 millimeter skeleton watch from Stührling, automatic movement, mineral crystal, Stührling Legacy 3933, and the price is currently on Amazon right now at 90 bucks, 89.99, give or take, and I'm not sure how long that price will last. So definitely head on over and check it out. At least take a look at it and see if it's for you. But anyhow, that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate you guys taking the time to hit that subscribe button, because it really does help out more than you know. And I do appreciate every single one of you guys so much. So definitely hit that button if you want to see more of this content. You like to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And like I said before, head on over to davethewatchman.com, where you can check out all of the watches that I have reviewed on this channel and some watches of interest. And I do provide affiliate links to all of those watches as well, so you can head on over and pick up any of the watches that you see on my website and wear them for yourself. So if you do have any questions about this watch or any of the watches that are shown here, or even the watches I'm wearing, be sure to leave those in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can with an answer. So until next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. And if you are interested in the Stührling 3933, check out that link in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick one up for yourself. Thank you guys so much, and have a great week.